I know it's been quite a while since we've talked about finding area stuff, so let us quick review stuff. So if I have, we'll say, I've got a triangle, and I'm going to find its area. What do we do?
Area times half times base times height. You go, girl.
Okay? Remember, base and height have to make this right angle together, right? They have to be perpendicular. Okay? How about if I have a parallel here?
And same thing. Base times height.
Base times height. Okay? Same for a rectangle, it's going to be
Base times height.
base times height. Okay. We've got trapezoid. Okay. Okay. And we're again, the height has to make a right angle with those two bases. My drawings are really slow. They're nice and straight. What else we got? Oh, a rhombus. We have a rhombus.
Would it be half times diagonal? Half times diagonal.
We multiply the angles, but don't add it. So let's try to add it. Don't add it. And it's going to be the same for
height.
Oh, my.
Jessica's ready to learn. Obviously.
She's very one. And we covered all the next thing we got on, didn't it?
Circles.
Oh, circles.
And squares.
Okay, well, I think most squares. Circles. What is my favorite circle?
Radius times pi.
Close.
Whatever. Radius squared times pi.
That's the area.
Alright, let's go back to our
Wait,
next.
how do we find circumference of the circle again?
I don't know what makes sense.
2π. Okay. Alright, so I'm looking at it now.
Okay, so now we're talking about areas of similar figures. Similar figures. What makes them similar?
They're the same shape but different sizes.
There we go. Same shape, different sizes. Right, but not necessarily different sizes. Or not. We spell necessarily. Got two S's in there somewhere.
I have no idea.
AR. AR.
You're so wild.
Thank you. Not necessarily. There you go. Same size. It's one word I can never remember to spell.
That's a really hard word to spell.
It is. Where's it?
So is exercise. Don't you always put the C after the X? Yes. When it really doesn't belong there. I always remember how to always go EX.
EX.
Anyway. Moving on. I know it's been a while since we've been in school and we've kind of forgotten this whole routine thing. I understand, okay? But let's get back into it so we can get going, okay? Alright, so if we're talking about similar figures, remember we were talking about if things were proportional, if we set up proportions and scale factors and all that stuff? Same idea here, only if we have a scale factor of two figures, and this is A to B, I know the ratio between their areas is going to be A squared to B squared. Here's what this means. Okay, I have two squares over here. I have a 3 and a 7. So if I was going to set up a scale factor, it would be 3 to 7. Right? Scale factor is 3 to 7. What is the area of this square?
9.
9. How do you know? Okay. Okay. How about the area of this one?
29.
Okay, and put 7 times 7. So if I was going to find the ratio of the areas, it's A squared over B squared, or 3 squared, which is 9, over 7 squared, which was 49. Okay? So we're just setting up proportions.
It's not as easy as
Alright, let's go for some example. It says the triangles are similar. The area of the triangle, JKL, this one, is 30 inches. So we say right in there like that. So we're supposed to find the area of this other triangle. Okay, so we're going to set up the scale factor. I'm going to go this guy to this guy. So I'm going to go left to right. Remember, we're setting up proportions. You can't flip them around. Whatever's on top first has to stay on top in our second fraction. factor. So I'm going to start with this guy. So I'm going to go 12 over 15, because I'm comparing these two sides. Okay, this is our scale factor. But they want us to find an area, therefore we have to find the area of the scale factor by squaring these. Okay, so what's 12 squared? 44. And 15 squared is? Okay, this is going to be equal to our other fraction. Since I started with the blue triangle on top, he's going to stay on top. So his area is 30. He's going to say 30 on top. Looking at the area of the green triangle, so he's an X. All right, now look at it. Cross multiply. I don't know what to learn about cross multiply. Next one. Simplify first.
67.
All right, and then okay, we're done with Candy goes in.
59.21.
What is it like that? No, the party for what?
Oh,
I got 46.
never mind.
Said,
144.
Oh, is that wrong?
46. I got 46, 48, says 5.
I did 142. 46 point is that?
No way.
Is that rounded or that's not?
That's not right. Okay, now, just pointing out something. Remember, if they gave us another side, let's say that this side is 10, and we wanted to find this side, we'll call y. Remember when we set up this kind of proportion, we said 12 over 15 is equal to y over 10? Okay, notice this is when we're working with sides. Don't need squaring at all. However, if we're working and we're finding an area, we have to square what we're talking about in the scale factor before we cross multiply. Questions on what we just did? Okay, let's try B. Says the figures are similar to the area of the second figure. So they give us two sides. We're going to set up our scale factor. I always go left to right. What are we going to do next? Square the area. Square. So 8 squared is? 5 squared is? What are we going to do now? You know which one you need? What's there need to be over? Yeah, that. Okay, and how do we do the go from the bottom and down the top?
Because we're going to have to right?
Yep, good. Okay, cross multiply. Again, I'm going to be doing it. Ooh! Or X is? I'm sorry. 1.5? Well, it's like, that doesn't make any sense. Gotcha. Don't forget your labels, centimeters squared. Any questions on what we just did? Does it make sense? Yes? Do classification. Do you see? The other question?
Is this basically what we're doing today? It doesn't get any harder, or
That's basically what we're doing.
well, kidding, like sitting on
All right, let's go on. All right. Same idea. Same idea, except now they're going to ask us to find a side. So they're going to give us both an area, they're going to give us one side, we're supposed to find the other side. So it's the same idea, just like what we did before. It says for each pair of similar figures, find the scale factor between them, the smaller, larger, and the value of x. We're finding two things, the scale factor and the value of x. So they give us the area of the figure ABCD. So this one, the area is 150. Okay, so again, I would set it up. Scale factor. X over 10. But we're working with area, so we have to square top to bottom. So x squared just stays x squared. 100. And then we're going to say equal to the area. Okay? Area of ABCD is 150. How do we find the area of this guy?
So we're going to do that. Wait, is that just next one?
Next size.
I don't know, I got 54, but I'm not sure how I did it.
Yeah, 54. I think we're missing a piece of information. Because we need to know what that other area is. Let's see what I can do with it. Yep, we need the other area. Oh, the other area is 54 meters square. How did you do that?
I was doing it out of the book at home.
Alright, so that's what we need to put on this stuff here.
This makes a lot more sense
It
now.
does. Now we're cross multiply. And we cross multiply. Okay, then what? What does that turn out to be? Okay, then what do we do? Square root, yep. Those cancel out. X is? 6 what?
6
meters. 6 meters. Okay, now I want you to read the directions again. What's your thing we were trying to find again?
Side.
Okay, side and
Scale factor.
scale factor. Okay, what is X?
6.
X is 6, okay. That's the side that they're asking us to find, right? What's our scale factor?
6 over 10.
6 over 10.
We need to simplify that.
Oh, yes, always. It's a fraction. Remember, I mean, that big poster that says always simplify fractions? What does it simplify to?
Alright, so why do we not need to square that? Like, thought we needed to read like this area.
Oh, meters to the square. You're right.
No, like the scale factor.
Because X is just a side, so you would.
Oh, right, yes, just a side. Okay, in this case, we're not squaring this because they're not asking for the area scale factor. They're just the scale factor of this side to that side. Just this side and this side. That's all we're comparing. Okay, pretty good?
Yeah.
All right, let's try B.
Okay.
Okay, so we know these two areas. We're going to figure out X. What are we going to do first?
X over 6.
X over 6. And what?
Square them.
Square, yes. Square, square. So X squared over 36. Then what?
50 over 72 is going to cross multiply. You're going to cross multiply.
I don't know what 36 times 50 is. Okay. So what's X? 5. 5 what? Inches. Is it inches or inches squared? Inches, because it's a side. Okay, what else do we need? Scale factor. Which would be what?
X over 6.
Can I simplify that?
No.
No.
Well, this is an easy assignment. I like this.
Oh, wait, it is part of it.
Okay, do you want to go up? Well, you guys got it.
Got it.
Part 2 is fine.
This is so much easier.